Jon and Jane here at Pro Chiropractic. Actually, we're at our sister clinic, Pro Physio, and we're just demonstrating some basic chiropractic adjustments. And we say basic because this is something that chiropractors do all day, every day with just about every patient. We're doing some sort of spinal adjustment, which is also known as spinal manipulation, which is where we find the area in the spine or the spinal joint that's locked or fixated. We deliver a measured thrust into the area. We call this an adjustment, and it restores more motion, increases the space in and around those joints, feels great, takes pressure off the nerves and soft tissues in that area. So we're going to demonstrate a neck adjustment. So the cervical spine, so the neck area, has 7 bones, and they have one joint on each side. And so when we're assessing as a chiropractor, we use different types of touching or palpation. What I'm doing now is motion palpation, where I'm flexing the joints over my finger and I can feel where there's something restricted. You feel that, Jane?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and so when we move through that area, even when I press it without moving, it feels hard but mushy at the same time. And when I move it, it doesn't move as freely as the one below it. This moves nicely. This feels blocked. So if we did a seated cervical, what I would do is I would contact that segment. I have Jane just relax her head nicely, and there it is. Then we check to the other side. Definitely lower in there. So we come this way. This one, Jane, I want you to just pretend your left ear is right on the pillow. Let it go. There we go. Good. That one went a little easier. And then we just recheck and see if there's better motion back in that segment. So most chiropractors will do a neck adjustment with the patient laying face up, which is a great technique. We call that a supine cervical, but sometimes a seated approach is good for the patient. They feel like they can relax better. Sometimes you feel like a turtle on your back and feel kind of exposed if you're on your back. So you can ask any of the chiropractors at Pro Chiropractic or at your home chiropractor if a seated cervical is right for you. So again, that's it from Jon and Jane at Pro Chiropractic.